How to fix green line on Android phone screen. So green line basically refers to maybe after 1 or 2 years of using your phone, you see those green lines welcomed on your smartphone and there's no way for you to prevent it, right? So these things are actually just unexplainable even by the brands themselves, but sometimes if you're lucky, this could be fixed by using a software. Now remember that this is already called a hardware damage. There is no any other solution than changing your display to this problem. So you did not drop your phone, I'm sure of that. You did not put it in a water, but these are some of the things and the problem with AMOLED displays in today's generation. And smartphone brands are also not addressing this issue as much, and even if you're out of warranty or if you're under warranty, you can take it to a repair shop, but if you're out of warranty, there's no options for you. But you can download this app from Play Store that is called Dead Pixels Fix and Test. So this is the app that looks like that. So tap on that particular app right here and just give it the permission that it requires right here, and just try to see fix that pixel. Tap on it and tap on start. It will run these type of checks on your display. You have to run this overnight, so it's not just for a few minutes. You can run this every day for 10 to 15 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. Just charge your phone and do this test, and this will actually most likely fix any type of issues that you're having if you're lucky. But if not, then ultimately you just have to replace your phone's display. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.